Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tally entry in laptop. First, open your tally software and select the company you wish to work with. Next, familiarize yourself with the main gateway of tally, which is your starting point for all operations. Then, identify the specific type of transaction you need to record, such as a payment or a receipt, to choose the correct voucher. This foundational step ensures accurate data input from the start. Once you've selected your voucher type, proceed to the entry screen. Input the transaction date, followed by the specific ledger accounts involved. For instance, if you're making a payment, debit the expense account and credit the bank or cash account. Always double-check that your debit and credit amounts match to maintain a balanced entry. This precision is crucial for accurate financial reporting. To enhance your efficiency, master Tally's keyboard shortcuts. They can significantly speed up your data entry process. Consider using cost centers to categorize expenses, providing more granular insights into your financial operations. Furthermore, make it a habit to regularly reconcile your bank statements with your tally entries. This practice helps identify discrepancies quickly and ensures your books are always up to date. Before finalizing any entry, always take a moment to review all details for accuracy. This simple step can prevent costly errors and save you time in the long run. Also, establish a routine for backing up your tally data. This is vital for protecting your financial records against unforeseen issues. Remember, consistent and careful data entry is the cornerstone of reliable financial management. And for other great deals, check the description for links, including one for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.